In this video, we'll show you how to install the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app on your BigCommerce store. First, go to your BigCommerce admin area. Go to Apps. Click on Discover Apps in the App Marketplace. Search for the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app. Click on Get this app. Click on Install. Then, proceed by confirming the installation. Next, click on Let's Get Started to view the welcome guide. You can watch this video to learn how to get started with the FraudLabs Pro app. Or, you can follow these 5 simple steps to start using the FraudLabs Pro app. For more guidance and tutorials, explore our articles, videos and documentation here. Once you're done with the guide, click on Start using FraudLabs Pro to access the FraudLabs Pro app. This is the FraudLabs Pro dashboard page. You can view the license information and monitor transactions here. Now, let's go to the rule page. You can manage your fraud validation rules in the rule page. Lastly, let's go to the settings page. You can configure your preferences based on your business needs. Now, you know how to install the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app on BigCommerce. Start protecting your store today with FraudLabs Pro.